Would you like to increase and strengthen your self-confidence? I'm sure you are, because self-confidence is the key to success. Now, many people, when they talk about confidence, they talk about all the internal things and they work on themselves, and many a times they apply different tools, techniques and processes. But this is the number one thing which is stopping many people from being absolutely confident, and that is self-criticism. Yes, self-criticism is the number one block that is holding people back from being confident and have high self-confidence. And if you do not work on the self-criticism, if you do not understand that if you are holding some self-criticism within you, then no matter how many classes you will do, no matter how many courses you will do, your self-confidence will never really go higher. That's why many a times people go for this public speaking programs, people go for personality development program, and they do it, and sometimes that confidence go little higher, but then it goes down or just stay there. They never feel absolutely confident. Why? Because the self-criticism is going inside. And this is the formula you have to understand. The bigger the self-criticism, the smaller your self-confidence. The smaller the self-criticism, the bigger your self-confidence. So what you have to do is you have to take some time and ask yourself, look within, introspect and find what are the criticism you are doing to yourself. What are the self-criticism that you are constantly giving yourself? It can be physical, it can be about your physical features of your body, it can be about your education, it can be about your social background, it can be about your age, sex, anything. Because so much of negativity or so much of things are there because of advertisement, because of news, that every now and then you keep hearing about things, why some people are not achieving their dreams, or why some people are not going to get what they desire because they are not in this way or this way. And then so much of advertisement are there which are constantly feeding you with an idea of physical perfection. And when these things are positive, it's good, but there are so many things which keep feeding your mind and keep making you feel that you are not good enough. And when you start feeling that you are not good enough, you start being self-critical. Sometimes it comes from all these negative media, sometimes it comes from people around you, like people, maybe your friends, maybe your relatives, maybe people close to you. Someone start criticizing you, someone start telling you sometimes from childhood that you are stupid, you are not good enough, you are a fool, you are not good looking, you don't have the talent and skill, you are not able to speak well. Or they start giving you these things and they forget about it. They forget about what they have told you. But all these things goes deep inside your subconscious mind and get stuck. And then you keep on repeating. Those people have given you one spark of negativity, of criticism, and now you are repeating it, and that criticism has become a big fire of criticism. And now this big fire of criticism, self-criticism, is burning down your confidence, your positivity, your self-love every single day. And then no matter how many personality development classes you do, no matter how many times you go for public speaking, no matter what you do, unless that self-criticism is there, until that self-criticism is there inside of you and holding you back, you won't see great progress forward. So that's why you have to start removing this self-criticism. You have to start dispowering this self-criticism so that your self-confidence will get stronger, will get powerful, and you feel absolutely invincible. So that's why what you have to do is take some time, think about what are the self-criticism you have for yourself, and ask yourself, is this really true? And the answer, or is this really matter in your bigger picture of life? The answer is no. One more thing you have to always remember is that all the highly successful people from any sphere of life, they all have some good things and some bad things. They have some strength and some weaknesses. But why they are successful? Because they are highly self-confident. And why they are highly self-confident? Because they focus on their strength, they focus on their good qualities, and they focus less on their weaknesses and criticism. They do not criticize themselves. Whereas the people who are struggling, they, even if they have so many strengths, even if they have so many good qualities, they keep focusing on the few bad qualities or few things that they feel they have the weakness. And 99% times those are not at all weaknesses, or those are not at all things that can really hold them back. So in case if you are making this mistake, in case if you are struggling with your self-confidence, then this is the key. Remove your self-criticism and your self-confidence will automatically go higher. If this video is an eye-opener for you, like it, comment and share it with people around you, especially people, your loved ones, your family members, friends who are struggling with their confidence. They need this video, and comment in this video so that this video will be shown by YouTube to more and more people who really need it, so that their life will become truly awesome. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the like button and subscribe button and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome Ajay, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Stay motivated, stay awesome.